Staying with the NHS, let's bring you some breaking news. Figures just out show that staff working in the A&E and ambulance service experienced more pressure than any October on record last month. The figures also show that the overall NHS waiting list fell for the first time since February this year. Our health correspondent Laura Bundock joins us now. So, well, kind of the good and the bad, I suppose, Laura.
Yeah, I mean, this is a monthly set of data that's just been published, and I think what it does is paint a picture of what we can expect to be a very difficult, a very challenging winter ahead. So let's look at some of the data in detail. In terms of A&E visits, 2.36 million people visited, or there were 2.36 million visits to A&E, which is the highest level on record for this time of year and the third highest of any month since at least August 2010, which is when these records began. Looking at the performance of A&Es, it's getting worse compared with the last few months, but better when you compare it with the last couple of Octobers. So 58.1% were seen within 4 hours at major A&Es in October, and that is slightly down compared with October 23. But that 58.1% figure is way short of what the targets are at the moment. Remember, the overall target is 95% of people being seen within 4 hours, and the current aim is for a minimum of 78% of patients to be seen within 4 hours. That aim is by March 2025. So that 58.1% figure, way short of those targets and aims. But there is slightly better news, as you said, when it comes to the waiting list. There has actually been a fall. So the total wait was down to 7.57 million in September. That's down from 7.64 million in August, so down by 70,000, and reaches the same level as it was in April after, you may remember, 6 months of consecutive rises. So some good news in there. But like I say, as we approach winter, which is a traditionally really difficult time, certainly for accidents and emergencies in hospitals right across the country, these figures suggest it is going to be busier than ever.